This is the Crow's Nest Natural Area Preserve in Stafford County, Virginia. It consists of over 3,000 acres of tidal and non-tidal wetlands, marshes, riparians, wetland buffers, mature hardwood forest, trails, and streams. This preserve has two locations to park, one on Raven Road and one on Brook Road, and have deliberate small parking areas that are strictly enforced to keep the capacity of people down in this preserve. The amalgamation of these lands have been part of Native American history, the colonial period of the area, Civil War histories, as well as fish, mussel, and shellfish spawning nursery and feeding habitats. Two forest types here that have been classified as globally rare as well as federally listed fish species are present and protected. This place also has an ADA accessible canoe kayak launch facility, and you can paddle and birdwatch on the Crow's Nest Water Trail. See the links below for the Department of Conservation and Recreation main page to see how this area of combined lands, trusts, and parcels became the preserve, a downloadable PDF link for an area birdwatching checklist, and click the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.